I'll make this video short and to the point. You have your 1990s Gen 1 Dakota with a quick modification for YouTube, and you try to use your climate control fan one day and it doesn't work. This guy right here. Go like this, nothing. Don't know why, just stopped working. Maybe it started working and it quit, was intermittent. So what we're gonna do is walk around to the passenger side, grab a 9/16 wrench or a socket. Wrench works best because you've got this in the way. And it's gonna be just like that. It's gonna be that plug. Be right there for reference. You'll zip these two screws off. They're like metal screws. Boom. What is this? It's a resistor pack. And you go, okay, yours is probably gonna look similar to mine. All rusted because it's been heated and cooled and heated and cooled so much. Anyway, see this guy here? This was where this ground wire was connected. It was connected like that, over. What I did is I took some metal pliers, bent it, pushed in this hole, crimp, and then a bend. That's not coming out. It's stuck in there pretty good. And the problem with this is these guys get really hot, really hot. You can see the metal is kind of blued and rusted and garbage. Dodge must have known about this because they give you 1, 2, 3 holes and a bunch more over here and some over here and some over here. They must have known it's going to get hot and melt and fall apart. And if you look in here, it goes all the way down. They must have realized, hey, these are going to fall apart. And when they fall apart, we don't want them making connections. So they're just going to fall down and out. So, yeah, there you go. Put that in a different hole. If it's one of the fan controls, I think this is slow, medium, fast. Put those in there. Make it work. Zipper in there. Walk over. Open your door. Turn on your key. And there you go. You've got movement of air. There you go. Hope that helps.